In this clip, we're going to prepare a very simple dish. It's going to be a baked whole Gurnard with herb velouté, bacon and sage. So very, very simple. We have our Gurnards, which we prepared earlier on. What we're going to do is just season them very lightly with a little bit of salt on both sides and a little pepper. Now I have some sage leaves, which I just picked earlier on. And what we want to do with our sage leaves is just arrange them on top of our Gurnard, just like so. And then we're going to proceed just to wrap them in some nice dry cured streaky bacon. So we're getting a good flavour from our sage. Have a nice bit of dry cured streaky bacon. So we're just taking 1 or 2 pieces at a time. We're just going to wrap our Gurnard up really nice and tight in the bacon, taking care with the sage to make sure it stays intact. One more piece of bacon, just wrap that around. Very same with this second Gurnard. And these can be prepared in advance and just placed into the fridge until you're ready to cook them. Finally, one last piece. And that's our Gurnards prepared. Just need to lightly oil our tray. I'm going to use a little bit of rapeseed oil for this. I'm going to place our Gurnards onto that tray. Give them a little drizzle. And we're going to place those into a good hot oven and bake them for around 8 to 10 minutes. In this clip, we're going to make the herb velouté to serve with our Gurnards, which are in the oven baking as we speak. What we're going to use is some shallot, some white fish bones, some parsley stalks, some garlic, and a little bit of thyme. So what we want to do is just start with a little oil in our pan, over a medium heat. Just a good couple of tablespoons of oil in there, and we're going to just add the rest of the ingredients to the pan. So starting off with our shallots. And you can hear it's nice and gentle, not too hot in there. Some nice white fish bones, a couple of sprigs of thyme, a couple of cloves of garlic. We're just going to take those and crush them. And then just going to let those cook down now for around 5 minutes on a nice gentle heat. So our bones have been cooking down now for around 5 minutes or so. The next stage is to add about 150 millilitres of white wine. We just want to bring that to the boil and allow it to evaporate until all the wine has gone completely. Now that all our wine has almost evaporated, the next step is just to add 150 millilitres of water. And again, we're going to cook that until all the water has evaporated. So another 4 or 5 minutes should do the job. So at this stage, all of our water has evaporated and we're now ready to add the cream. So we have 200 millilitres whipping cream. In it goes. And we're just going to bring that to the boil and allow it to simmer for around 3 minutes. So our cream has been up to the boil and simmered for around 3 minutes. So the next step is just to pass that out. So just using a sieve. Our sauce is almost complete. We're nearly ready to finish the dish. So we're almost ready now to put our dish together. As you can see, our Gurnard's beautiful just from the oven, and our sauce, what we want to do is just bring that sauce up to the boil, and we're going to add our herbs. So we have some chopped chives, and we have some parsley, some tarragon. You can use any herbs you wish in this. And once that comes back to the boil, we're ready to serve. Just going to go ahead, take our lovely Gurnard, just pop them on the plate there. And just with this beautiful rich sauce, just over the top. And there we have our baked local Gurnard with bacon, sage and herb velouté.